truck vlog, man. I see, man. We rad, man. Just dropped off a little load. Wasn't nothing interesting. I actually dropped off a load at the tire warehouse. I had some little wheels up in there, but it wasn't nothing that I don't think nobody will be interested in, so I ain't picked the camera up. But yeah, we about to go pick up this other little load. We'll go pick up a load, bring it back this way. So, as promised, like I said, I'm gonna do these probably once a week, just to see what I see. Hopefully the footage gonna get a little better, man. I just ordered me a GoPro with a suction cup mount and all the mounts, a head mount, chest mount, all that good stuff. So hopefully, man, the footage will get a little better. I ain't gonna have to hold this camera. But yeah, man, let me get out in traffic. Hit y'all right back.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, we out here, man, in traffic, man. I-40, man. Binge watching. Hey, man, look, I be doing so much, man. When I be at work, I be working while I'm at work, and I be trying to, man, support it at the same time, man. Y'all see, man. Binge watching, man, real to real, man. Binge watching real to real while I'm working, man. Yeah, man. So I ain't seen nothing spectacular, nothing interesting. I seen a couple cars come through, a couple Vets. I think I seen a little BMW convertible. I seen some wrecks. I seen a couple wrecks out here. Other than that, I really ain't seen too much. Yeah. I know as soon as I put this camera down, I'm gonna see everything. As soon as I put it down. Yeah, man. Yeah, they told. I had a couple guys tell me, man, like, yeah, man, we like the truck vlogs because even though we ain't traveling, it make us feel like, you know what I'm saying, we doing something, or we see things from, you know what I'm saying, while y'all riding, like we see the trucker's point of view of things. So try to bring out that footage, man, when I can. Short crowd, like, what's this coming up here? He moving pretty fast with that scat. Moving pretty fast. I ain't gonna catch him, he gone. He came up in the on-ramp with a mission. Yeah, man. Wish I could help y'all, but I can't. There's two guys out there that better get it, hopefully. some other stuff going on too, man. You know what I'm saying? I got a, well, y'all will see it. If y'all don't see it in this video, y'all will for sure see it in the next. Hopefully, I'm gonna try to get it on this video though. But yeah, man, I got some stuff, man. I'm just trying to, man, improve my brand, man. Be Little Nation to the front, man. And that's on Nation, man. You know what I'm saying? I put that on Nation, man, for real. So, yeah. I'm trying to get everything together. I gotta do so much though, man. I still gotta get these shirts together and like all this stuff, man. So it's like, it's kind of stressful, but you know, it's gonna pay off in the end. Yeah, man, I'm out here in North Memphis, man. Passing by famous Wolfers Auto Parts. Ain't nothing but Fords in there. Wolford Auto Parts. Go the phone number right there. Y'all need some Ford parts, man. That's what it be. That's the place to be, man, because they ain't got nothing but Fords over there, man. I'm talking about nothing but Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury, man. I don't even deal with Fords, but I'm out here rolling past it, so I might as well put it in the vlog. A little fin. Get a windshield, boy. Got going on. Yeah, y'all, but I definitely need the suction cup mount, man. Windshield mount, all that. But that GoPro, it got a head mount too, so I can strap that junk to the noggin, man. Y'all see everything, man. Crazy. Y'all see this? He bagged in the dock. Nah, he actually pulled from the dock. He ain't even at the dock. He just in the street. Nah, he is. He bagged to the dock. Look at that dude. I like that. Denali out. This might be a boring vlog, but it's a truck vlog though, so I guess it ain't really meant to be exciting, I guess. But yeah, man, let me go in here and drop this trailer and pick up this other trailer, man. I'll hit y'all back. Alright, y'all, we back. Nice little Jeep right there. Please don't pull y'all ass out here. Yeah, man, so anyway. I got a new logo for Below Nation, man. Nice logo, man. It's about nice. I don't think I'm gonna just change the logo what I already have. I think I'm just gonna use them at different times. GLE 63. I think I'm gonna use them at different times and Porsche. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. But I know for sure I'm gonna use like all the ones that I got. I'm gonna use them. You know what I'm saying? So it's not gonna be one of them might be, you know, a limited edition type thing or a vintage type thing, you know, something like that. But I'm every logo that I come up with, I'm gonna use it. Just trying to, man, broaden the horizons on my brand, man. That's all. Trying to, like I said, man, I'm still battling this shirt issue, man. So I gotta see what I'm gonna do about that, man. Cause I don't want to be trying to get shirts, man, and you know they be too expensive to where I gotta, you know what I'm saying, sell them for more than what I was selling them for, man. Like I don't want to do that. So instead of doing that, man, I just, you know, I do something else before I do that. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. What's it big over there? So yeah, man, I don't wanna bust y'all up, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all support me. I don't wanna bust y'all up. So, like, and it's like everybody. It's like down there, everybody that's making shirts, man. They trying to bust you up, really. You know what I'm saying? Like, damn. I mean, I get it. You gotta make some money, but I ain't your only customer. Like, you make money off multiple customers, don't you? You ain't making money off just one, ain't you? Jesus. But it is what it is. I can't knock nobody for, you know, how they handle their business. You know what I'm saying? Can't knock nobody for their prices. The only thing I can do, you know, if it ain't a price that's suitable for me, I just gotta bag off that deal. I gotta bag off that, you know what I'm saying? Off that person, off that company or whatever. So I find something that suit me. It ain't that I ain't being cheap. That's definitely not the case. I just, you know what I'm saying? Like if I'm trying to make money too, I don't wanna bust nobody up. Like this ain't my sole means of income. So I mean, yeah, it's helping, but I don't wanna. Nah, man, I don't wanna do that, man. Man, I knew I shouldn't have came back this way because it was bagged up, man, when I came through the first time. And I came right back this way. Guess I wanted to show y'all them cars that was in the ditch. Pick up, supposedly she told me that the new logo will be ready today. So I got stickers that I gotta go and pick up, which I am gonna put that on IG. Ooh, that thing got a lot of metallic in it. I'm gonna put that on IG, man. Put it on my snap so y'all can see that. And yeah. Hopefully, man, y'all can get some of those stickers from me, man. I still still got the other stickers too. I still got the other Below Nation stickers. I still got the Below Nation Against Local stickers. What else? I think that's it. Yeah, them the only two that I got. So yeah, man. We just ran them. I'm gonna head back to the yard because I think it's about over with. Picked up my last little load. It's over with. Walker and that dude up there. That trailer on that thing. Can't wait for my time. But anyway, man, while y'all here, man, go ahead, man. If you ain't already subscribed, man, go ahead and do that. Like, comment, share, man. You know what I'm saying? Hit that notification bell. Turn that thing to all, man. All notifications, man. So as soon as I drop a video, man, it's gonna shoot straight to you. Hopefully, if I can keep this up, y'all see I've been posting a little more. Hopefully, if I can keep this up, man, I'm gonna be posting at a rapid rate, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get myself together, man. So I'm gonna be posting at a rapid rate. So y'all gonna need, you know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna need to have the notification bell on, man, so y'all can go ahead and get them things right out the bat now. You know what I'm saying? Get them right out the bat. Go ahead, man. Be one of the first ones, man, to watch them Johns, man. Like I be telling y'all, man, don't forget about that giveaway, man. I believe y'all sleeping on that giveaway. Man, share these videos, man. If y'all gotta share them to Facebook, man, share them to wherever, man. Share them to your uncle and them, your homie and them, whoever. Man, tell them folks check me out, man. I really appreciate it, man. Y'all don't even understand. Like, I really, really appreciate it. How that happen? Yeah, man, there was some cars over in the ditch over here when I came through. They done cleared them up. I don't be understanding, man. What y'all, hey, to folks that be having wrecks, like what y'all, I know, you know, ain't nobody just gonna admit and be like, oh yeah, it be my fault. So I get that, but to the folks that it is y'all fault, like what the fuck do y'all be thinking about, man? Like for real. Like y'all, bro. Like I be seeing folks be doing some shit and I be like how? But I guess, man, I guess it ain't meant for me to understand. I mean, driving ain't hard, man. It's just, you know, it really ain't hard. It's not a hard thing to do. I mean, even with having distractions, man, you know what I'm saying? Driving is not a hard thing to do. It's truly not. You give yourself enough room to do what you gotta do, man. You know what I'm saying? You give yourself enough room. If you know you finna, and you know you shouldn't be doing it. Like, you know you shouldn't be texting and driving and all that good stuff. But if you're gonna do that, man, give yourself enough space, man, around you. You know what I'm saying? Front, back, side to side. Give yourself enough space, man. Wait till you ain't around nobody, man, when you do that, man. That way you can't run into the back of nobody. You can't get over in the other lane and run over and hit somebody on the side of you. You know what I'm saying? Come on, man. Just, I mean, if you're gonna do something, man, be smart about it, man. You know what I'm saying? Be smart, man. RS. Yep, but they was gonna do that. Stop in front of me like that. How y'all know I ain't want to run the light? Don't run the light, people. Don't run the light. But yeah, man. I still don't see nothing spectacular. So, yeah. So hit y'all back.